What's up, Stat Fam? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird versus Mark Aguirre. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let get it. Told y'all I be live now. I don't be faking nothing now.
Of the 12 players on the Dallas Mavericks roster, our first round draft choices.
Right, Bird. Right, Aguirre.
In the second, you know what I'm saying? Because you've got 10 guys who all feel they should be starting.
Dallas Mavericks my team too, if y'all want to know.
Looking at the front court.
It's legendary.
The
Live.
Mavericks are a very dangerous offensive team. They leave it outside for Larry, and he picks up right where he left off in San Antonio.
Get it started, Bird. Should have known.
Larry has scored 85 points and has had 32 rebounds in the last 2 games. Now this is Harper, and now from outside Aguirre.
Shout out Aguirre. That's how you respond.
He has been part of the Dallas shooting slump. Dennis Johnson takes it all the way, gives it to Larry.
Bird, hell of a pump fake.
Little jump shot, little
Shot.
move. Finally, Robert Parrish clears away for the Celtics. Celtics lead 6-2 in the first just under 2 minutes. They've got Aguirre on McHale now. Aguirre's
Pass,
at
McHale.
6'6", and Kevin is 6'10".
Bird. No, it cancel. It dropped right in the net.
You know, they made the defensive adjustment. They started with Aguirre and then went with Perkins, but both of them from the weak side, they had Bird on the weak side, was sloughing off, looking to help. I mean, you just can't leave Bird alone
Yeah,
without
move.
the ball trying to help inside because the Celtics
Move down now on Mikhail
Aguirre
White.
will shoot 2. He's averaging 27 points a game in the 76 rights granted by the Boston Celtics, solely for the entertainment of our audience. Any publication, rebroadcast,
Real
or use
legend.
of the picture is prohibited. 8-4, Celtics lead, 9:45 left first quarter. Ainge finds Parrish up high.
Watch out for Bird running off pin downs over there.
Dennis Johnson has it. DJ breaking out of his shooting slump the other night. Fires one up. No. Bird trying to go for the offensive rebound. Donaldson.
Bird hustling out there. Them boys hustling.
Larry takes it right in for 2 more.
You can't do that in our team. Come on now.
Dallas picking up full court, kind of a nuisance press. They're not looking to trap yet, but they just want to put a little pressure on DJ and Danny and not let them start.
Oh, what a pass.
Offense is low, but it doesn't make any difference.
Good back
They're
door.
a half-court game against the Mavericks. And
Bird,
at that box, we
what a
should have
pass.
an advantage.
Parrish.
For 2. Need to go with 6
See you, Parrish.
per game. Season high this year has been 33 points.
I think Danny recognizes that Blackman is still running on a tendon knee.
Them guys pick it up full court, 94 feet. That's good D.
Well, Bird comes up with a steal away. He was fouled. Wow. What an alert play by Larry Bird.
In the outside shot.
I don't need to see no more.
The height advantage. Good pass to Parrish.
Now I see why.
That high lob out of bounds.
He got that inbounds. That steal for the game winner against the Pistons.
Parrish gives him a little bit of room. Donaldson on the miss. Rebound.
Backboard.
7 to go here in the first quarter. Larry Bird will put it in play for the Celtics. Mavericks on an 8-2 run, cutting a 12-point Boston lead to 6. DJ looking for Bird on the baseline. Now finds him in the middle. Little jump.
Shot.
Larry.
Flat. Early in the quarter.
DJ takes it all the way in. Kicks
What a
it back
pass.
out.
The Ainge.
8.3. Yes.
Time to take it.
Well, the Ainge had a stroke, did he?
Inside, nothing had happened. Clock was running down to 4 or 5 seconds. That's when it was called for. Why a big strong over that offense quarter. Well, they can reset the
Watch Bird off pin downs over
back
there.
to 24, so they're going to run it down now. Wait for the last shot.
That was very effective work off the
Like
offensive
Bird running
glass
off the
by
pin
both
downs
Brad
again.
Rojas and
Oh,
Robert
my.
Parrish. Bird for 2. Outs to Bird. The
That
ball
pump
is
fake
really
just something
solid, but
mean.
Bird gets it back. And the Celtics slow it up.
Pump fake,
Bird
I knew.
makes the 3.
Oh, what a
Behind the back
pass.
to mini Peel. 2. That's
Some weird things. They claim he can play point guard, small forward, or big forward.
Dude had a bag with no holes in it, for real
Not
though.
consistently. Bird.
Cut all the jokes aside though, for real though. It's crazy.
Larry having quite a first half, and the Celtics lead again is 8 points. Larry is 8 of 9 from the floor for his 16
points tonight. And he's done
Dude
a lot
only
of
missed
that
one shot.
offensively.
Parrish with 6 rebounds
16.8 for 9.
The Celtics leading 50-40 now, with 4:40 left in the half. McGuire counts the basket.
Good bucket.
It'll be his 3rd personal foul, which will not be a sting of joy. It's going to be on Parrish, and that is only the first one on the cheap. Watch Aguirre again.
Jab step.
The fact that Kevin's giving him outside, Aguirre blows by him. He is tough. He's been an all-star in this league for quite some time.
He's a lot like.
That's how you get back on D2. I see.
About the same.
Yeah, well, yeah. I tell you, he probably has a little better outside shot than Dantley. I don't know if he's any stronger than he is. Both of them, for their size, do both about damage on that offensive board. You've got to keep them off.
Pump fake just.
Takes it in, tries to dump it off to Parrish, but got in trouble with it. Properly has it. 3-on-1, Mavericks. Aguirre.
Tell Aguirre, ooh, good lane.
Quickly released to Bird. Need a hope. Bounces it off the glass against 4 men down.
Backboard.
On it went down and banked it in. On it. Lost the ball. Slid right off the
Definitely
palm
just
of his
did.
hand. Harper back for Dallas. 5-point Celtics lead. Celtics' biggest lead has been 10. Smallest lead has been 1.
Aguirre. Face him up now. That's who.
Aguirre's eating it up, averaging 27. That gives him 15.
Aguirre averages 27. Bird averages 29. The two of them are having a little scoring duel. Blackman back in the backcourt now with Harper, Aguirre, Tarpley, and Perkins. This is Rolando Blackman down to 8 on the shot clock. Perkins deep in the corner.
Come on, Perkins, you gotta hit that.
Aguirre stole the rebound.
Good rebound, Aguirre.
Still has 5 shots down court.
That was a good rebound. You gotta hit that though, Perkins. Come on now. Oh, what a pass.
Nice job by Burgess.
Very much into the flow of his shooting in the last couple of games. After hitting the dry spell for some time. Harper picked up by Bird on the switch.
Celtics have to give McHale a little more help.
That's a good tape, right? That's a good tape, the whole team.
We're better at the forward position than Perkins in the first half. Bird the rebound of the miss. Celtics again with a chance to tie it. This one will probably go to the
ledge.
line.
Jab step.
Taking the
Pull up.
3, takes a 2, does not get it, but he did get fouled.
Jab step. Pull up. You go to the line.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Here he had 50 points.
The ledge.
Which is Atlanta and Detroit are playing tonight with the Pistons leading by 10 late in the third quarter of that game. Of course, that one, the Celtics have
Watch Bird. Watch Bird.
because they lead Atlanta by 1 and Detroit by 2 for the best record in the
Aguirre.
conference. Aguirre outside.
Shot.
Battling Donaldson for the rebound.
Our big guy is much more aggressive and active tonight.
No, we gotta get on that. You can't let him do all that. That's too much space.
Larry Bird in the McHale pick on pick and roll. Doesn't get it. Ball slapped around. Picked up by Derek Harper. Harper with Danny Ainge on him. Waited for his players to get down court. Now Aguirre. Tough post-up player.
Turn around.
His man in the air. Does not hit the shot. Donaldson rebounds. Celtics are getting the shots they want.
What a pass. That's who.
Aguirre continues on.
Court finds Robert Parrish. Slides by. Misses the shot. Again,
Oh, yeah, Aguirre. You're pushing that. You're pushing that. You're pushing that. Oh, he's pulling up.
For 3. No, 2. Inside the line. It's Hooker's over the line.
I like how he came down and pulled up. That's back in them days right there. Aguirre. Guys going at it. Guys going at it now. Guys going at it.
And they lead by 14 points. You're watching the Boston Celtics television network. Tarpley comes out and Perkins is back in for Dallas. Johnson is out. Minifield is in for the Celtics.
Go down.
Goes around
Ooh.
Lojas, who blocked the shot.
I thought he about to get that up.
Banged Aguirre, who hit the deck hard.
Good hard foul.
That time, Gus, is going to be tested if that's the matchup. At least on that play.
Dallas
That was a good
Mavericks
take.
lead by 12 points. The game was tied at 66-66 on a three-pointer by Bird with 7 minutes left in this quarter.
Down, huh?
Dallas then went on a 3-minute and 14-second 14-0 run. That has the Celtics right now looking uphill at a 13-point deficit. Making
Good shot.
14.
Well, numbers, and they have problems extending and really trapping the ball effectively.
2 minutes left in the quarter. Aguirre
Best of the
has
best
all
going
eyes
each
on
other.
him. Try to play some defense against the All-Pro. Aguirre lets it go.
Goodness.
34 points for
Heat
Mark
check.
Aguirre. And he'll go to the line.
Well, it was a mess for a while, but they still are going to get a couple out of it, or certainly a couple of free throws.
Aguirre signals to the bench that he wants to go out for a breather, and he had a sparkling third quarter. Mark Aguirre scored 17 points in the third quarter.
Why even snapping this quarter one?
34 now.
If you're new to that channel, make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below.
He's a fine shooter from
You
15
know?
feet. Didn't get steal. I guess critics are
Throw
right
that
about
bird
what
up
they
and
say
pin down.
Bird
about that kid.
winds up and hits. And sharply on the miss. Bird on the rebound. The
He
Celtics
was at it in his sleep.
got to regroup offensively right now.
Mikhail,
Mikhail wheeling does not get the basket. Robert
Rebound.
Parrish the rebound. The Bird cutting
You
late.
can't allow them second chance points now. Come on now.
Falls away with a jumper. Rebound is loose. Picked up by Aguirre.
Shot. And we allow them second chance
Deficit
points.
again. Dallas Maverick crowd is hoping to see the men.
Oh, back to the ball. Just beat Robin, to the offensive board. Yes, he's young and he's strong.
Watch
And
the
he
pin
shoots
down.
well,
Watch it. Get on Danny in. Get on Bird. Oh, what a
They
pass.
go to McHale on the pick and roll. Game. Larry has 28 points. Celtics at 6:45
Look at him
to
running
go.
off pin downs. Look at
Need
him.
a hoop on
Look at
this
him.
trip.
Run off
They
pin down,
find
man.
Bird. He fires and hits.
That's a specialty right there, running off pin downs.
And the Celtics are within 7 with 6.5 minutes to go. A lot of shoving going around for position inside.
Both teams getting a little tired, so the pace is.
Blackman short on that one.
Good job.
DJ
The
again.
fourth time Celtics respond defensively.
Bird takes it
Stop
all
playing.
away.
Ah,
He was
but-
fouled, and he'll foul is on Mark Aguirre, his third. And Larry Bird shooting 2. There.
He got a smooth 32.
Dallas, by the way, has missed 7 of its last 9 shots. And the Celtics have really been playing some superior defense.
I'll tell you, Aguirre's a great one, and he can explode a team.
Oh, it's game time.
Out
It's
of a
crunch
game
time right here.
or into a commanding lead, but he'll also.
That's a
make
good pass, Bird. A
some
real team
questionable
player, too.
decisions.
DJ.
Ooh,
Celtics
okay.
lead by 1.
D. Johnson turn
Celtics
around.
come all the way back to take a 1-point lead with 2:40 to go.
Oh, we acting team.
Dallas has missed 8 in a row. They're 4 of 18 in the quarter.
Ronnie
And the
695.
Celtics have really
Oh.
turned on the defensive juices. Time to try to come down and take the lead. Celtics have had a great defensive fourth quarter.
Yeah, they really responded. We said, a while ago when the
Into
third
Aguirre.
quarter was opening
Oh,
up.
they're down, Aguirre.
They started doing it.
Come on, man. It's your shot. Mid-range.
First
Play your
basket
game, man.
in 6 minutes. They had 3 free throws in 6 minutes. That was all the scoring they had.
Play your game.
Still, so I think they've got to set something up for either Danny Bird or
Watch
they
Bird
might
running off
try
pin
to
downs
hit
over there.
the three-pointer.
Danny
Bird
Ainge
gonna
has
go
3
get it.
3-point baskets already in the
Pass.
game. DJ gets it to Bird. We have a foul.
This dude still
They foul Bird and not Dennis Johnson. So Larry shoots.
had the minds of president to throw it up with his left hand. They weren't doing that back then.
He's pretty good. 1 point.
Got to keep the ball moving. Dallas probably will employ the same strategy, looking to foul quickly. So keep the ball in the air if you can.
2-point lead for Dallas. 14 seconds left. 3-point lead for Dallas.
Oh, yeah, 3.
1-3. There the
Shit, that ain't enough.
Celtics
They
3-point
still can
shooting.
come back.
Trailing by 3 points with 14 seconds to go.
Keep the ball in the hands of your foul shooters. You got to assume Dallas will foul immediately again.
All right, inbounds to Bird. He takes it inside for a 2 and gets it with 11 seconds to go. Celtics foul Sam Perkins, and they're down by 1 with 10 seconds to go.
Dude just got the ball and scored like it was no problem. I'm done.
103-102.
Real
Dallas
legend.
leads, 10 seconds left. Perkins flanks the first
Come
one.
on, man.
So the Celtics have a shot. With 10 seconds to go.
Come on,
I want to
Perkins.
call a time here to kind of.
This is an important free throw right here.
One more free throw for Sam Perkins. He gets that one,
Okay.
so it's a 2-point Dallas lead.
Get on Bird, man. Get on
And the
Bird.
Celtics bring
You
it
know
up
who it's
court
going
to Larry
to.
Bird.
Ah.
From 3. Yes! Larry Bird! A 3-point shot with 4 seconds to go. And the Celtics lead by 1. Oh, mercy!
Incredible. Let's take a look at that one
Oh,
one more time.
wow, what a shot by Bird. The Celtics with 14 seconds
Dude is
to
a
go
real
are down
legend,
by
man.
3. Now with 4 seconds to go, they lead by 1. And here it is.
You knew probably wouldn't
Real
have
legend,
time to
man.
get it in
He
there.
pulled
Well,
up.
seconds he would have, but he had such confidence in that shot. Not quite from that
He
range.
pulled up like UPS.
He just
Nigga.
did what was expedient for a very
Delivered
man
the
like that
package.
one.
For Dallas, they've got Perkins,
Bag with no hole in
Tarplin,
it.
Blackman, Aguirre, and Harper.
Need deny defense, pressure on the ball. That's what McHale's doing. Deny, they go to the
Harper.
speed.
Oh, wow. Three-pointer.
Mm.
McHale has it.
Game
Celtics
over.
win it. What a great victory for the Boston Celtics here tonight in Dallas, Texas.
They won.
A brilliant
I thought they
win by
tied the game. This guy
A
came out.
marvelous comeback. They were down by 14 points on a 14-0 Dallas run in the third quarter with 4 seconds left in the ball game. They were down by 2, and Larry Bird buries a 3-point shot to give the Celtics a 1-point victory, 105-104.
And that's against my
Here's the
team,
shot by
man.
Bird
I'm hurt a
that
little
won it
bit.
and puts the Celtics on this road trip at
'Cause that was my
2-1.
team.
Thank you,
Goodness.
LB.
Dude out here hitting game winners. And then walked out the court like he ain't hit it. Real legend right there, man. Salute Bird family. Good game. Celtics, good game, Mavs. Forever and always my team. Salute. Thank y'all, Stat family, for watching the full video. We're gonna be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good. You know?